we are very excited. It's the biggest opener of 2015. Yes, we never expected this. We didn't expect our film to open.
You expected
like
it.
I thought like about 8, 9, but it's gone 10.4, so it's surpassed that, in double digits. It's a new director, it's a new story. We've showed it to audiences that this is something new. So it shows that audiences want to see something new, and they've gone in and accepted it and given us a lot of love. So very, very happy.
I think the most important thing for me was that performances were appreciated. Like I definitely feel that, for us as actors, we do owe our performances in a way to our director, because he makes us look good. He brings out the performance in us. He creates a certain atmosphere and a certain vibe, which not a lot of directors are able to do. So I was pleased with that. Like for me, that was like passing my test. And of course, the fact that I think people have appreciated the fact that it's a very different and unique film. And that was something I think, that we wanted to be part of as actors. Like we wanted to bring something new to the table. We wanted to be part of something new and in cinema. That's exactly, I think, what we were able to achieve. So for people to recognize that was a fantastic, I think, achievement for us.
I was nervous anyways because of it's my first movie. It doesn't matter if I'd made a commercial movie or not. That nervousness would stick. No, I wasn't nervous about what the content of my film was, Like I said, it's a film that we know what we've made. I don't think about commerce all that much. It's really important. 10.4 first day is a lovely number. Our second day is bigger than our first day, which is lovely. And yeah, I was stressed whether I would just match up to the expectations that my actors had of me, who gave me a lot of faith, and my producers, and they seem happy. I'm really happy. I've got lovely reactions to my work, to my film, and I'm ecstatic.
It's not just if it's a gap, or if it's not a gap, or if it's my film's coming after 1 month or after 1 year. That film is important. Every film is important to you. It's not that any film cannot be important to you. This one is a very special film. It's a film which is very unique. It's a big film. It's got some wonderful performances in it, and it's got a great narrative, the way the story unfolds, which is the uniqueness of the film, which makes it unique. It is important for us to see how people react to this film. We've got great reactions, and there are some reactions which are not so favorable, where people say, no, I didn't get your movie. To those people, I've got only one thing to say, that maybe you were not patient enough, so go and watch it again. You don't know what the reactions of audiences are going to be. You get so into your film that you kind of lose the perspective. Once you make your film, you make it from your heart. This is a film we've all made from our heart. All I can say is I'm proud of it. And now it's out for the audience. They can do what they want to do with it. Critics can do what they want to do with it. But because that's their prerogative. How it performs and what it becomes is what box office shows you. And then Hungama can report what they have to report about it.
Well, I think playing a double role was a lot of pressure, first of all, because it's definitely quite challenging to do. So, I mean, like when I had taken on this project, I was very aware of that okay, this is something that would require a lot of high-level performance and focus and, hard work. And I was very lucky, though, because I had a fantastic director, okay, who was extremely clear about his two characters and who was able to direct me extremely well and make me comfortable and, really make me become those characters. I had fantastic co-stars as well who helped me get into the rhythm of, the two different characters that I need to be at that time. I mean, that way I was quite relieved, after I finished filming Roy, because I was like, wow, this wasn't so bad. I had a fantastic support team here. I'm really glad to see that, this movie is...
The whole industry, I mean, we've been getting feedback, at least I've been getting a lot of feedback about the film, and it's so wonderful that people say, wow, Jacqueline Fernandez is acting so beautifully, and that makes you feel great. It really makes you feel great that, here's Jacqueline, who's so new in the industry, who doesn't speak Hindi very fluently but has worked so hard. But the minute she was given an opportunity, she took it and did such a wonderful job.
Right till before we released, I was like, ask him, chewing his brains. I was like, listen, guys, you cannot let me dub it. Please let me dub it. And even when the movie released, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna get like, I'm really gonna get some. I'm sure my reviews are all gonna be about my Hindi and this and my diction. Luckily, I haven't got anything just yet about that. But I went on their word. I seriously was like, okay, went on their word and, trusted. They told me that I didn't need to dub and it would be fine.
She was there, very committed, very focused, very prepared, and she's done a damn good job.
I think people saw the uniqueness. They wanted to come in and see something new. And that is always what excites an audience, according to me. How much of that we've delivered, how much of that we've not delivered, we will know by the end of the week as to how the film progresses. We've got a great start, we've got a great today. The second day has also been better than the first day. Sunday, yes, we might get a bit of a hit because of the World Cup. India-Pakistan, which is like religion in India, and everybody's going to watch that. So yes, it will get affected. But if the film has got its credibility and its heart in its right place, I always believe that the film will go through and will do what it has to do.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.
Yeah.